Hello, my beautiful people, my fellow YouTubers out there. This is Ziggy, the Wild Traveler. I'm here in Arizona trying to give you the best of nature, what nature can provide. Right now, I'm trying to show you the kind of rocks that are naturally lined up here in an amazing format. Just check it out as we move around here. You see, as far as the eyes can go, but it's all beauty. It's all beauty lined up. There we go. Let me try to zoom it in. There we go. I'm gonna be coming in intervals, but as for now, let the video keep rolling. As you can see, these amazing rocks right here. It's really so amazing. Wow, so beautiful. You know, that's what nature can provide out here in this space of Arizona, United States of America. Look at that. Look at the way the rocks are set up. This is so nice and pretty. I love it. I really love nature. Look at all that. Oh my God.